Hey everyone, welcome to Rockwall, Texas Living, the biggest blog in the smallest county in Texas. I'm your host today, Richard Matteson, and with us today I have Kenda Culpepper, who is the new District Attorney for Rockwall County. And we want to say hello to you, Kenda.
Thank you.
Congratulations on winning your election.
I appreciate it.
Great. Now I know there was a vacancy there, so you started in November. So tell us how it's going.
I did. I got elected in November, and because of that vacancy, I was able to take office a little bit early. So I've been in office since about the middle of November. And since that time, we've just been working on making improvements here and there.
Good, good. So I know you have 4 different sections of the District Attorney's Office. Tell us about it.
We actually do. We have 20 employees that I oversee. We have the felony and misdemeanor trial divisions that have 3 lawyers apiece in those divisions. We have the appellate section, the civil section, the juvenile section, and we also have a section or a prosecutor that's assigned to do justice of the peace tickets. So the District Attorney's Office handles everything from felony capital murder on one end of the spectrum all the way to misdemeanor shoplifting and even some Class C tickets that are given in the county area. We don't do any city tickets. For example, if you get a ticket in Rockwall or Heath or Fate or those places, we don't handle those tickets. The cities hire their own.
Okay. And you're kind of restructuring too. Tell us a little bit about that.
We are. Well, obviously, anytime there's a new administration, we do, some restructuring. Rockwall has been, obviously, everyone knows that Rockwall is one of the fastest growing areas in the nation. So, obviously, in the last 10 years, we've had an amazing population surge, and as a result, the Rockwall District Attorney's Office needs to make those changes to keep up with that population. So we've started doing a lot of work in terms of restructuring to meet that population growth. We've done a lot of collaboration with different law enforcement agencies. I've met with every law enforcement agency to just make sure that they understand that we want to collaborate and work with them on a very personal level because we're on, obviously we're all on the same side to try to get as much justice done in Rockwall County as possible. So we've done a lot of restructuring in that department. I'm actually speaking to a lot of different community organizations because, we are trying to make sure that the public knows that the District Attorney's Office is a group of incredibly honorable people and that we want to make sure that our reputation meets expectations in the community.
Okay, so if they wanted you to come and speak at a particular organization, you're available to do that?
Absolutely. You just call my office and we'll schedule a date for me to come and speak to your group.
And we're going to put that information right at the bottom of our blog video a little bit later so you can have that to check in with Kenda. So tell us, how are you enjoying it?
I love it. I was a prosecutor in Dallas County for a number of years and was in private practice after that. And it's been nice to come back to this side and work for the citizens of Rockwall County. The reception has been amazing from the citizens of Rockwall County. I've been very lucky, not only law enforcement, but the community leaders, citizens have really welcomed me with open arms, and I'm incredibly lucky to be living here.
And I know that Rockwall County, in its sense, especially the Rockwall area, is going through some transition. So how does that play into where you are in the District Attorney's Office?
Well, it's exciting. I think it's exciting for everyone. Obviously we're seeing a lot of changes. With number one, we're getting a new Justice Center in 2 years. So we'll be moving into a new building that will last us for the next several decades. So we're getting a nice, beautiful new building to start doing our duties in. We are Rockwall is at a crossroads right now. I think more than maybe any time in at least recent history because of the population growth and the opportunities that exist with all the new retail that's coming into this area. And it's exciting to be a part of this at this crossroads in Rockwall history.
Yeah, well, it's good to know that the District Attorney's Office is not hanging around 40 years ago, but they're updating, they're making things happen, and they're thinking about the future.
We certainly are, and we would welcome any kind of comments or concerns or advice. Anything that you have to tell us, we are ready to listen and make this District Attorney's Office among the best in the state.
Great. Well, thank you for the interview with us on such short notice, and we just wish you the best as you continue your term.
Well, I appreciate the opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you. We're learning a little bit more about Rockwall every day together Join us next time.